Smaller and bigger numbers. Let us learn smaller and bigger numbers using pictures. Say which is the bigger number and which is the smaller one. 13, 15. Now look at the string of beads. The smaller number is 13. The bigger number is 15. 27, 25. Here, the smaller number is 25 and the bigger number is 27. 53, 57. Here, the smaller number is 53 and the bigger number is 57. 20, 10. Look at the number of beads in each string. The smaller number is 10. The bigger number is 20. Let's try another one. 15, 21. The smaller number is 15. The bigger number is 21. Smaller and bigger numbers. Our friends Nandu, Gampu, Sonu, Moti and Mani were in deep thought, looking at the table of 1 to 100. If we take any two of the numbers in this table, can we tell which one is bigger and which one is smaller? A number in the column on the left is smaller than a number in a column on its right. See 38 and 52. In 38, there are 3 tens and in 52, there are 5. The column with 38 is on the left of the column of 52. So, 38 is smaller than 52. But what if both the numbers belong to the same column? That's easy too. Look at the numbers 62 and 68. They have the same number in the tens place, and they are in the same column. Now, look at the units place. 2 is in the units place in 62, and 8 is in the units place of 68. As 2 is smaller than 8, 62 is smaller than 68. So, it means that if we are looking at numbers in the same column, then the number above is smaller than the number below. Oh, now I understand. Let's also see 61 and 70. Looking at the tens, 70 is bigger than 61. And even if they are in the same column, 61 is above 70, so 61 is smaller. Smaller and bigger numbers by comparing tens and units. Between 43 and 51, determine the smaller and bigger number. In the number 43, 4 is in the tens place. In the number 51, 5 is in the tens place. 5 tens are bigger than 4 tens. So, 51 is bigger than 43, and 43 is smaller than 51. If two-digit numbers have different digits in the tens place, the number with the bigger tens digit is the bigger number. Between 71 and 79, determine the smaller and the bigger number. As the numbers 71 and 79 have the same digit in the tens place, we will compare the digits in the units place. In the number 71, 1 is in the units place. In the number 79, 9 is in the units place. 9 is bigger than 1. So, 79 is bigger than 71, and 71 is smaller than 79. If two-digit numbers have the same tens digit, then the number with the bigger units digit is the bigger number. Smaller and bigger numbers. Sonu brought 29 beads in one basket and 33 in another. Then she asked, "Is the number 29 smaller than 33? Motya, Nandu, Gampu and Mani all gave different reasons to show how 29 is a smaller number than 33. I counted both. I had to count forward after 29 to reach 33. So, 29 is smaller than 33. I made strings of 10. 33 has 3 10 strings and 29 has 2. So, 29 is smaller than 33. The number 29 comes before the number 33 on the number strip. So, 29 is smaller than 33.